Guys, I'm back again with another vlog. We're being bums. And if you're wondering who we are, my nanny and Mehlia, you should go subscribe to her. Her channel is Mehlia Vlogs. I'll link it in the description box. I'll link it in the description box down below. And we might go to Rita's later. And we're watching this movie called
Beethoven's Christmas Adventure, and it's March.
Yeah, we're watching a Christmas movie in March. Don't like. Yeah.
What?
I don't know. So like I said, we might go to Rita's, and yeah, I'll be back. We decided we're not going to Rita's, but I'm gonna get something to eat. So let's get into that. I just got done. I made bread.
Ow.
And so I will be going home soon, probably. So yeah, I might make slime when I get home as well. So I'm just gonna eat fast and then I'll be back. I'm drinking some Gatorade now because I'm drinking some Gatorade now because I just got done eating, and Gatorade helps with your sickness because it puts electrolytes back in you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I put your electrolytes back in you, and also I just got my hair cut. Not just, but I got my hair cut a couple days ago. And that's what it looks like. Comment if you like it, and yeah. He's downstairs, and I'm about to go home to my house, and I just put a Brett in my hair, and I took my glasses off. Yeah. But yeah, I'm about to go home, so I'm gonna go get packed up, and then I will vlog on my way home. I just started walking home, and I'm with my grandma, and she lives right over there, and I'm almost home. My house there. So, yeah. I just got home. Oh, messed my hair up. Okay, I just got home from walking home, and I have to go clean my room up right now and put my clothes away. So my room is pretty messy, but I don't know, I'll get that under control. And you guys really need to get one of these. They're so much fun. Scrapbook puzzles. They're fun to make words with. So we recently had a St. Patrick's Day party. It was like the day after St. Patrick's Day. So it was Saturday. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Saturday. Friday, Saturday. Yeah, it was Saturday. And there is just stuff everywhere. Like, there's juice boxes and like paper towels and everything. And like rubber bands everywhere. I didn't even know we had rubber bands. And there's like broken pens everywhere and everything. So, yeah. So this was that dye stuff that you squirt on people, but we left somebody who used it left it out, and it was purple, but it's obviously clear now. So that's how you know it works. But yeah, there's just stuff everywhere. There's like foam. There's foam all over and everything. There's just random spring from that broken pen. But yeah, let's get into time lapse so I can clean this mess up. So I just got my clothes put away, and my mom is making my bed right now. And I have to fix my shoes in my closet. But then I think I'll be done for now. So let me do that. And this might take a while, so I'm going to put this in time lapse because I have to make it nice and neat. So yeah, let's get into time lapse. Okay, so I just got done. Oh, nice and clean. And I have this last pair I have to put in. And my bed is made and everything. So yeah, I think I am done for the night. And yeah, I'm gonna go make some slime, I think. But I don't know what kind of slime I want to make. I think I'm just gonna make plain jiggly slime. I'm gonna make jiggly instead. So yeah, let's go. I accidentally deleted the other footage of making the slime, but it didn't work. I added too much water, so it's a bit ugly. So I'm gonna try to knead it in a different bowl to try to get it to come together. But I think it was stuck in the liquid starch a little bit too long. Okay, I'm gonna try again real quick. So I'm just gonna pour probably the rest of this glue in there. If it ever comes out. Yeah?
Do you need this study guide, like for anything other than the studies?
No? Okay. It's not gonna make a lot, but that's all it's gonna make probably. I'm gonna try to get the rest of the shaving cream out. Darn it, there's not a lot of that at all. Now this isn't gonna make a lot, but it's still gonna make some slime. I didn't even add liquid starch, but there was leftover liquid starch in the bowl. So this is really soft. I don't know why. Okay, it's coming together. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna make for now. I think I might go to Michael's this week. I think I already mentioned that. I don't know. But I think I'm gonna go to Michael's this week. Hopefully to get some more supplies. So I can make some, oh yeah, the slime didn't turn out too well, but it's still really soft and I like it. But yeah, I have to go study for my science test, so let's get into that. So I just got done studying for science, and I have some water to take up to put on my dresser because it's almost time to go to bed. And I'm going to get changed and put some cocoa butter on. So I'll see you after I get all changed. I'm gonna change in 1, 2. So I got in my pajamas, and I cleaned my bag out from my nanny's house. So I'm gonna put my cocoa butter and stuff on my scar. So yeah, and I need to plug my phone in real quick as well. Oh no. Okay. I have an outlet right next to my bed, which is convenient. There, now you guys are charging. So, I'm gonna go ahead and put my stuff on my arm. And then I'm probably gonna watch a little bit of TV. And then I will see you guys in the morning. So yeah. I'm almost done. I just have to put the scar gel on. So I got all of the cocoa buttercream all over my arm. So now I just need to put this scar gel on it. And then I will be done. I need to put more up here. Okay. I think I'm all ready. Now, it's really dirty back here, if you can't. But yeah, I am all ready for tomorrow, and I still have been playing with my slime. I was playing with this when I was studying, and it got stretchier, as you can see, because it wasn't stretchy when I first made it. See, it rips sometimes, but yeah, it's still good. I am heading to bed, and I will see you guys in the morning. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the morning.